How to upload high quality videos, reels on your Instagram account. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to your profile on Instagram and then go to the top right here and click on those three lines as you can see, and then go to settings. And after you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Now go right here and click on your account. And now it's simple, just scroll down and click on this cellular data use. And now you will find this option it may be on, or what you have to do is make sure to turn it off like this. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much and see you later.